Good morning, students. After the completion of the chapter linear equations in two variable, today let us go for a new chapter. And the chapter what I am going to start today is one of the very simple chapter as far as the class 10 mathematics is concerned. But the chapter is new, but the contents are very simple, and the chapter is arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Before I start the chapter arithmetic progression, let me give some set of numbers for you. Okay, you observe these numbers and you have to tell me on what basis these numbers are arranged. Okay, see the numbers are, let me take 1, 4, 9, 16, dash dash dash. 1, 8, 27, 64, dash dash dash. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, dash dash dash. Say it is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, dash dash dash. Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, dash dash dash. And it is 7, 10, 13, 16, dash dash dash. These are all the set of numbers. Now your work is to identify what is the relation between these numbers or how these numbers are arranged. Let me go to the first set of numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, dash dash. These are the set of squares. Set of squares of natural numbers. See, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2, 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. If I add the next number, 5 square is 25. Come to the second set of numbers. What are these? These are the cubes of the natural numbers. I can say they are the cubes of natural numbers. Natural numbers. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64. If I add the next number, 5 cube is 125. What are these? These are, you can say, multiples of 3. Multiples of 3 you can say. I can say these are multiples of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, and so on. If I add the next number, 3 sixes are 18. What are these? These are the set of prime numbers. These are the set of prime numbers. See, prime number is 2, next number 3, next is 5, next is 7, next is 11, next is 13. These are all the set of prime numbers. What are these? You can say the set of even numbers, or you can say multiples of 2. I can say them as multiples of 2. What is the relation in this? These are called difference of two consecutive numbers. Difference of two consecutive numbers is 3. See, they are not prime numbers, they are not even numbers, but here it is a constant difference. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. If I I write next, it is 19. They have a fixed difference. They have a fixed difference, and I can say difference of two consecutive numbers is 3. You have seen all these numbers. Many groups I have written. But basically, what are these? What is numbers we can call? These numbers we can call them as, these all numbers, these groups we call them as sequence. Call them as sequence. Then naturally the question comes, what is a sequence? What is a sequence? I can say sequence is a group of numbers. I can write here, sequence is a group of numbers. Group of numbers which are arranged in a definite order, in a definite order, in a definite order, with some rule, with some rule, with some rule. Sequence is a group of numbers which are arranged in a definite order with some rule. There should be some rule behind it. And what are the rules I have written here? They are the squares of natural numbers. They are the cubes of natural numbers. They are the multiples of 3, multiples of 2, prime numbers. These are all the rules. And the numbers are arranged in a definite order. And these are called as sequences. So first thing you should understand what is a sequence is. Sequence is a group of numbers which are arranged in a definite order with some rule. Now, all these are coming under the sequences. Now, what I will do, among these sequences, some of the sequence I will take it out. Some of the sequence I will take it out. I will mark this sequence. I will separate. My dear children, basically all are sequences, but among the sequences, let me remove some sequences. 1, I have taken out this, 2, and I have taken out these 3. These 3 sequences are having some special property which is not there in this. Which is not there in this. Okay, these 3 sequences are having some special property which is not there in other 3. What is that special? Listen, here in this, no doubt they are the multiples of 3, but they have a fixed difference. They have fixed difference. See, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. The difference between the two consecutive numbers is fixed. But here you see, this is also a sequence, this is also a sequence, but see the difference? Difference is 7, difference is 19, difference is 3, difference is 5, difference is 7, difference is not constant. But all are basically sequences only. But in those sequences, the difference is not same. Come to this. See the difference. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2. The difference of the two consecutive numbers is constant. See here. 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. Everywhere, throughout the sequence, the difference is same. My dear children, the sequences where the difference is constant, they are called as arithmetic progressions. But before this, let me tell you once again very clearly, all these groups are sequences only. All the groups are sequences only, but among the sequences, if the difference is constant, those sequences are called as arithmetic progression. So I can say this is sequence as well as arithmetic progression. This is only sequence. This is sequence also, arithmetic progression also. This is sequence also, arithmetic progression also. This is only sequence. This is only sequence. Now you might have understood what is the difference between a sequence and arithmetic progression. Let me write now what are arithmetic progression. What are arithmetic progression? Okay, arithmetic progression are sequences. They are sequences. Basically, they must be sequences in which difference between two consecutive numbers is a constant. See, arithmetic progressions are sequences in which the difference between the two consecutive numbers is constant. For example, let me write some of the examples. Let me take example 8, 12, 16, 20, dash. Basically it's a sequence, but I can categorize this as an arithmetic progression because the difference is 4. Everywhere the difference is 4. I can call it as an arithmetic progression. I can say 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, dash. It is also an arithmetic progression because the difference between the every two consecutive numbers is a fixed number. In this case, it is 5 is the common difference. I can say 20, 27, 34, 41, dash. This is also an arithmetic progression because difference is same. 7 difference is 7 plus 7, 41, dash. Now let us take one example. And we'll start now different terms of the arithmetic progression. Let me take one example. I will take 9, 13, 17, 21, dash. This is my arithmetic progression. First let me check, is it arithmetic progression? If it is arithmetic progression, the difference of every two consecutive numbers must be same. 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, dash. No doubt it is an arithmetic progression. Okay. Now some of the terms I will tell you. First term of AP is always denoted by A. First term of A. In our example, A is equals to 9. In our example, A is equals to 9. Okay. First term of AP is always denoted by A. Okay. The constant difference is always denoted by D. It's always denoted by D. I will write 9, 13, 17, 21, 25, 29. Okay. This is my D. Constant difference means the difference of two consecutive numbers, that is called as D. In our problem, D is equals to 4. D is equals to 4. Okay. Number of terms in the AP is denoted by small n. How many terms last term, which is also called as nth term. Nth term is denoted by an. The last term of the in the given AP, which is the last term. In our case, last term is 29. I can say an is equals to 29. These are the four terms, four symbols you have to keep in mind. A, D, N, A. A for the first term, D is the common difference, N is the number of terms, An is the last term. These are the four terms. Let us practice now. One more example. I will take 17, 22, 27, 32, 37, 37. Okay. Let me practice now. A. What is it? The first term of AP. Come on. A is equals to 17. D. Common difference. My children, to find the common difference, what is the method? Always you can use the method second term minus first term. Common difference means second term minus first term. 22 minus 17, the answer is 5. Anybody can subtract. 27 minus 22 is also 5. 32 minus 27 is also 5. Everywhere it is fixed. So we can say second term minus first term, that gives you common difference. Number of terms, N. How many terms are there in the AP? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms in the AP. Which is the last term? Last term of AP. The last term of AP. An is equals to 37. Where these symbols will be useful for you, I will tell you later. But these are the symbols to keep in mind. Okay? A, D, N, and A. Okay. Now, we'll proceed further. Let me take one more EP now. I will take 8, 13, 18, 23, dash, 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 dash. See, this is the first term. And I have told you, this is always denoted by A. This is the second term. I will denote it by A2. A2 stands for second term. A3 stands for third term. A4 stands for fourth term. A5 stands for fifth term. Okay, I will write like this. First term. This is a very, very important part for you. In order to solve the problem, this is very, very important. First term. I will call it as A. I can also call it as A1. A1, A and A1 both are same. A1 means first term. A is also first term. And what is the number? Number is 8. You see very carefully. First term, usual notation is A, which is also called as A1. A1 means first term, and it is 8. Coming to the second term, see properly. Second term equals to first term is A1, then second term is A2. A2. My dear children, hope you are getting this. Hope you are getting this number. A plus difference 5. 8 plus 5 is equals to 13. That means second term is obtained by adding first term plus common difference. Okay, I can say A2 is equals to A plus D, which is equals to A is 8. Common difference how much here? 5. 8 plus 5. Answer is 13. That means second term is obtained by adding A and D. So A2 is equals to A plus D. A plus D. D is 5. D is 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. This is called as A2. How A2 is obtained? A plus common difference. A plus D is equals to 13. Okay. Now With this we are going to generate a formula. To understand that formula, this is very, very important. Third term, I will call it as A3. A3 means third term. Third term. A3. How we are getting A3? See here. This difference is 5. This difference is also 5. Can I say 8 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 18? 2 times of difference, 2d plus a plus 2d is equals to 18. This is very, very important. A and 2 times of d, a plus 2d is equals to 18. I will write a3 is equals to a plus 2 times of d. A plus 2 times of d is equals to 18. I can write 8 is a. 2 times of d is how much? D is 5. It is 10 plus a is equals to 18 is my third term. My dear children, can you tell me what about the fourth term? Fourth term. Symbolically I can say A4. A4. A4 is here. A4. How you are getting A4? See here. A4 how you are getting A. D. How many D's? 3 D's. 3D plus A gives you 23. I can write A4 is equals to A plus 3 times of D. 3 times of D. A is how much? 8. 3 times of D is how much? D is 5. 3 times I have to add. 15 plus 8 gives you 23 is the fourth term. My dear children, here what you can notice, very, very important thing you notice here. See here. Here when 2 is there, here 1 is there. When here 3 is there, here 2 is there. When 4 is there, here 3 is there. See, whereas A is fixed. A is fixed. D go on increases. 1D, 2D, 3D. How these numbers are increasing? These numbers are also increasing. Let me write one more if you want. After 23, 28 will come. 28. I will write as A5. A5. Come on. I will write here fifth term. Fifth term is equals to symbolically A5. A5. Again I will add one more difference. To get this, how many difference are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 difference. 20 plus 8 is equals to 28. Right? A5 is equals to A plus how much times of D? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 times of D. It is A is 8. It is 4 times of D is 5. 20 plus 8 is equals to 28. 20 plus 8 is equals to 28. 20 plus 8 is equals to 28. See here. Now again you can compare. When there is 2, here is 1. When there is 3, here is 2. When there is 4, here it is 3. When there is 5, here is 4. Whereas A is common, D is common, numbers are go on increasing as these numbers are, but 1 less, 1 less, 1 less, 1 less, 1 less. So if I continue this table, and if I write AN is equals to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, if I go on increase, A will be fixed plus what number will come here? What we have noticed now? When there is 2, 1 will come. When there is 3, 2 will come. Means 1 less. 4, 3, 1 less. 5, 4, 1 less. If it is n here, I should get here n minus 1. Whereas d is common into d. This is a very, very important formula to find the nth term of an AP. What is the 10th term? I will explain later, but we first see how this important thing has to be noticed. A2, A3, A4, A5 go on increasing, whereas A is fixed. D is fixed, but this number is go on changing. As this number is increasing, this number also increase, but one less, one less, one less, one less. If it is n, here it should be n minus 1. A is common, B is common. This is the new formula to find. Formula to find nth term of AB. Then what is nth term? Nth can be any sixth term. Suppose they ask me in the exam to find the sixth term. Sixth term is called as nth term. Find the 14th term. The 14th term is called as nth term. We will discuss more about this. First, you note all these things. We have seen the formula now. What is the formula we have generated? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into B. This is our new formula. And I have told you, this is the formula we are using to find the nth term. Nth term will be any term. Say for example, if the question is asked, find 14th term of AB. They ask me the 14th term. See the question? 8, 11, 14, dash, dash, dash. This is the AP given to you, and they ask you find the 14th term. What are the notations or the symbols you are having? A, N, D, and A. These are the only 4 symbols for you. Let me write what is what? A. What is A? The first term, it is 8. D. What is D? I have told you D is the common difference. To find the common difference, the method is second term minus first term. It is 11 minus 8 is equals to 3. We want N. What is N? Number of terms. Number of terms. They asked me find the 14th term. 14th term. That is my N. N is equals to 14. And I have to find nth term. How much? Nth term means An is equals to how much? Okay. See, N is different, An is different. N means 14th term. How many terms are there? N is equal to 14. There are 14 terms. You have to find what is the value of the 14th term. The value is different. I can say here. See, 11 is a value. Where it is? It is in the second place. The second place, the 2 is called as N. Value is 11. It is An. This is An. Whereas 11, where it is in the second place. The second means N is equals to 2. This 14. 14 is a value. That is called as An. Where it is in the third place. That 3 is called as N. Okay. Now I have to find what is the value which is in the 14th place. Now first place, second place, third place, fourth place. Like that in the 14th place, what is the value is that I have to find? Value I have to find. Which value? The value which is in the 14th place. Come on, apply the formula. A is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Come on. I have to find the value in the 14th place. I have to find the value in the 14th place. A14 I have to find. Come on. A is 8. N means number of terms. N is equals to 14. It is 14 minus 1 into D is a common difference. Common difference is 3, which is equals to 8 plus 13 3s are 39. So 39 plus 8 is equals to 47. 47 is the 14th term. That means if I go on write this AP in the 14th place, I should get 47. Let me check whether I am correct or not. In this AP, if I write 14 terms, I should get the value 47. Come on. 8, 11, 14. Difference is 3. Go on write. 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, 41, 45, First, the question has to be understood. What is asked? Well, AP is given to you. When AP is given, naturally A will be given to you, the first term. When AP is given, D will be given to you, common difference. Then what else asked? Find the ninth term. Means, what is the value in the ninth place? The ninth term means, what is the value in the ninth place? That 9 is N. But which value is there? That is the A. So these are the, usually students are making a mistakes in N and A. N is term. AN is a value. AN is a value. See again, 15 is a value. Where it is? In the second place. 19 is a value. Where it is? In the third place. The 3 is the N. 19 is AN. 23 is in the fourth place. 4 is N. 23 is AN. Come on, let us see now. What is what? A. A is equals to 11. Common difference. I have told you common difference method. Second term minus first term. It is 15 minus 11. Answer is 4. Okay? N. N. Which value I have to find? 9th term. N is equals to 9. What I have to find? What is the value in the 9th place? AN is question mark. Okay? Let me formalize any of these on the board. Let me substitute the values. Let me substitute the values. Come on. Which is equals. What I have to find? AN means A9. The value in the 9th place. I have to find the value in the 9th place. Come on. A. A is 11. N minus 1. 9 minus 1. In D. D is 4. D is 4. Come on. 11 plus 8 fours are 32. And the answer is 43. What is equals to? A9. That means in that AP, if I write the 9 terms, the value must be 43. Let me check it. Let me write the values. 11, 15, 19, 23. Come on, continue. Difference is 4, 27, 31, 35, 39, and 43. Come on. 43 must be in the 9th place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The 9th place value is 43. That is the end of our problem, students. And we'll stop here. You can solve plenty of examples. Okay? But for the time being today, I will not give you any homework. You practice these problems. Any value can be found. It can be 15th term, 14th term, 50th term, whatever it may be. You can find. Provided what they should give you. They should give you A, they should give you D. If these two things are given, and they will give you N. Find the 9th term, find the 15th term, find the 20th term. These are all the values of N. Your work is to find the value of AN. Value of AN.